Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect rain jacket, I have it here. It's this awesome waterproof jacket from GIISAM. This jacket is so much more than a thin windbreaker. It's nice and lightweight with a nice mesh lining. So even if it's a hot summer rain, you'll still feel like you're nice and cool with this coat on. The jacket is completely waterproof, but it will dry really quickly if you do get wet. It has lots of details that really make it perfect for a warmer time of year. So for one thing, the sleeves at the end are fully adjustable so you can keep your arms dry. It has a really large hood, so if it's a driving rain, you'll be fully protected, or you can take that hood off because it has a zipper. I also really like that even the inside of this jacket has a waterproof pocket so you can bring a snack with you on an outdoor walk or hike. If you're doing quick errands, it has zip pockets in the front, which are also waterproof. So literally everything has been thought of on this jacket. And not just that, but it comes in super cute colors. This is the pink and navy, and I ordered it in a size medium, and it fits absolutely perfectly. If you're looking for a coat that is perfect for warmer weather, but you're always ready for a bad rainy day, check this one out. It is absolutely the best one that you could find, but that's just my point of view.